Let's create this video in 10 easy steps. Okay, the first step is go to Elements and go to Frames. Search for letter frames and then gather all the letters that you need. As you can see, there are many options and you can choose any style that you like. So after that, you gather all the letters, adjust the size, rearrange them accordingly, tidy them up to make sure they are spaced evenly. Step number 2, going back to Elements and search for summer sunset, and in video categories, choose the video that you like and put it in the letter frame. Repeat the process until you finish all the letter frames. Step number 3, double click the video within the frame and expand it. That will cover the entire rectangular frame, and repeat the process to all of the frame letters. Make sure that the video on whichever letter are aligned. Step number 5 is going back to Elements, choose the square shape and change the color to blend in with the video, and position it in between the letter frame and the main video. Adjust the transparency, and you're ready for the next step. And now step number 6, to create the shadow effect, duplicate the letter frames and change it into black color. Download it into your computer with transparent background and upload it again to Canva as an image. Step number 7, once you upload it, adjust the size, and also you can change the color if you want to. For me, I changed it using duotone, then added blur into it. Step number 8, flip it, put it on your original project, adjust the size and place it behind the original frame letters. Step number 9, select the shadow letters, click animate and click create animation. Hold shift, move downwards and choose the smooth for movement style. Play around with the speed. Check your work. If there's any adjustment needed, you do it. If not, let's proceed to step number 10. Lastly, we need to put some decorations on our project, so go to Elements and look for bird's silhouette. Choose among the graphics. For me, I'm just going to copy and paste from the previous one. Resize it, adjust the colors if you'd like, and check your project. And if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands and you are done. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial and learned something from it. If you're going to apply it on your next project, please do let me know by tagging me on Facebook or on Instagram, and also by simply commenting down below together with the picture of your project. If you'd like to know more about Canva tips and tricks and Canva designs, please don't forget to follow me, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye!